Hello everyone, let's talk about steel. I'm Kevin Jiang, product consultant of MESCO STEEL. In the last video, we talked about ordinary construction-grade prepainted steel. In this video, we will discuss home appliance prepainted steel. As the name implies, home appliance prepainted steel is mainly used for household appliances such as air conditioners, refrigerators, televisions, washing machines, microwave ovens, etc. Among them, refrigerators and freezers have the largest market demand. Home appliance color-coated steel is generally divided into three parts: front panel, side panel, and back panel, according to the production direction of different products. The surface of front panel has the highest requirements, followed by the side panel and then the back panel. In terms of bending performance, front panel generally requires 0T. Side panel and back panel can be 1T or 2T. The substrate of home appliance color-coated steel is electro-galvanized steel or zero-spangle hot-dip galvanized steel, because for home appliance prepainted steel, the key is to ensure its surface quality. This requires strict control of the selection of raw materials first. In addition, in the production process, every procedure must be controlled in order to meet the standards. Therefore, the number of factories that can produce real home appliance color-coated steel is very small. The zinc coating of home appliance prepainted steel is mostly 20 to 120 grams. If it is too thick, firstly, will affect the adhesion of the paint. Secondly, may affect the sheet surface effect. And thirdly, home appliance color-coated steel is mostly used indoors and doesn't need too strong corrosion resistance. The paint type of home appliance prepainted steel is similar to that of construction grade. PE top coat plus PU primer is generally used. For those with higher requirements, high-performance PE top coat will be used instead of ordinary PE. The performance requirements of paint film vary depending on the application part, application environment, and other factors of home appliances. Another thing to note is that the gloss is generally required to be high, which means above 85. Most home appliance color-coated steel is painted with world-renowned paint brands such as AkzoNobel, Nippon, PPG, Becker, etc. because their performance is stable and quality is guaranteed. The thickness range of home appliance color-coated steel is 0.3 to 0.8 mm, and the width of it is mainly 600 to 800 mm non-standard. Mostly, the surface of home appliance prepainted steel need to be covered with plastic protective film to prevent it from being scratched during loading, unloading, and transportation. The cost of it is 1 to 4 yuan per square meter. Home appliance color-coated steel generally requires drawing, so most customers order stamping grade rather than structural grade. They are mostly 51D to 54D. And it often requires small coil with a weight of 1 to 3 tons. The cost of coiling and packaging will be higher than that of large coils. The smaller the coil weight, the higher the price increase. Customers should pay attention when purchasing. The inner diameter of the coil is mostly 508 mm. 610 mm is less needed. The packaging is generally eye to sky, and a pallet at the bottom is necessary. Due to the various peculiarities of home appliance prepainted steel, there are certain requirements for the minimum order quantity. Some can be ordered 50 tons, but in most cases, the MOQ is 100 tons. It is not recommended that clients purchase home appliance color-coated plain sheets, corrugated sheets, and strips because the cutting section is prone to rust. If necessary, the cutting section must be treated with anti-corrosive paint. Due to the above-mentioned technical requirements, surface requirements, coil weight requirements, and packaging requirements, the price of genuine home appliance prepainted steel is approximately 600 to 1,000 yuan per ton higher than construction-grade prepainted steel. Some dishonest suppliers will use construction-grade color-coated steel instead of home appliance ones due to the big price difference. Compared with the latter, the former has poorer surface stability. Buyers must pay attention when purchasing.